guys, so if you remember my failed dog tricks video, if you haven't seen that, then that's fine. You could certainly watch it. So now I've got a real dog. She doesn't do a ton of tricks. She like sits and lies down. Her name is Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi. She's a really small dog. She's got a really small tail. You can hardly see it. It's like a little bobcat tail. Hi. And she's like, goodbye. We just adopted her like an hour or two ago. Sorry about the bright lighting. And she has a particular interest in cars. I think she's part border collie and part something else that I don't know. Something tiny. And she's all cute. Hi. Good girl. Look at that little tail. Look at that little bobtail. Yeah. It's wiggling. Come on. Yeah. She's so cute. She's a girl. She's so cute. She's a wiggle puppy. Or actually, no, not a puppy. That's why she hasn't barked this whole time. Really quiet. And this is her cage with all her stuff. Right now it's just a mat. But it's the blanket and her leash. And a little box with toy fish in it that she needs to try and get out, and they squeak. Watch this. And there she goes. She likes the box, although she hasn't really figured out that you're supposed to get the fish out of it. They're not real fish. And she's got her dog bowls and dog food and poop bags and treats, duck recipe. And these are things that are poisonous. You can't really read it. Oh, and here's her favorite squeaky toy. Yeah, see? She wants the toy. Yeah. She just, Mom, I was holding her toy and she just like pawed it. Like, no, give it back. And she has a ball, 2 balls. They're shaped like little piggies, like the ones from Angry Birds, but pink. And that's about it. She'll probably appear in some later videos. So cute. Goodbye for now.